In this lesson, you worked in Gmail. The skills you learn and practice will help prepare you for your G Suite certification exam. Continue to learn more and practice on your own. In this lesson, you personalized your settings, added a signature and vacation responder, composed a new email message, added images and files to the message, sent email to multiple contacts at once, used chat and video to talk to contacts, manage your inbox by creating filters, blocking email addresses, and archiving and muting messages. Set up multiple inboxes, search for and sorted your messages, and learn how to use Gmail offline. Knowing how to use these features will help you use Gmail to its full advantage at work, in school, and personally. Now you can explore more G Suite certification lessons to learn and practice with other applications.